Hey everyone, it's Aaron from WPKB, and in this video we're going to go through Google Sitemap, a plugin that allows you to easily create and manage an XML sitemap that you can submit to Google. I've installed the plugin and activated it, and you can see I'm looking at the settings on my screen now. The first thing we can see is that the sitemap file already exists, so we're going to go and take a look at that now. And so this is an idea of what it looks at. You can see the URLs that exist in the sitemap priority, how often they change, and when they were last updated. And this is generated when you install and activate the plugin, and every time you make a post thereafter, it will automatically be updated as well. So what we can do here is choose to create a new sitemap or update the existing one, which is what it will do, of course. And then you can choose to add the sitemap file path in robots.txt, which is a file that is, in the case of WordPress, automatically managed. You don't need to create it. It's used by search engines and bots to know what can and can't be accessed. It is up to the search engine or bot in question to abide by those rules. And it can certainly be advantageous to add a sitemap file path in robots.txt. Next, we just get to choose what's actually included in the sitemap. You can see the posts and pages are automatically in the sitemap, which is obviously a very good thing. Below that, you can see in my particular WordPress installation, we have recipe and all jobs appearing. Those are custom post types. If you run a WordPress website that relies heavily on custom post types and you do want those to be indexed, you should come into these settings and activate those two boxes just there, or for whatever custom post types you have. The next setting is not available to us. It is only available by paying for the pro version of the plugin. It allows you to change the change frequency, which is what you can see in here. Change frequency is monthly. It's very general information that's provided to the search engines. It definitely can be used to your advantage to help your content rank a little bit more effectively, but it's certainly not required, which is arguably why it's one of the pro features. But if you do see value in that, you should consider paying for the pro version. Next, we can just see the settings for remote work with Google Webmaster tools. Ideally, if you are trying to get the most out of your website, you'll have an account with Google Webmaster tools. Here you would just fill in your credentials and then choose what you would like to put in there. Do you want to add the site? Is it not already added? Do you want to delete the site? You can do that as well, or you can choose to simply get information. But for most people, using the add site function will be just fine. That allows the plugin to automatically submit that sitemap to Google Webmaster Tools. When you've done making any changes, of course, hit Save Changes. And that's where we're going to wrap it up. So we just covered some of the basics in the Google Sitemap plugin, such as adding the sitemap file path to robots.txt, changing what particular post types are included in the sitemap, and so on. If you have any questions about what we've done in this video, please feel free to ask in the comments. And of course, if you've enjoyed the video, please hit subscribe for more like it.